So Bitcoin is sitting at 60,580 right now, as you can see. And the overall case scenario of Bitcoin actually did go the way I had shared with you in my previous video, giving hope to the bears that there is going to be a major pullback, but that will not happen. And of course, if you talk about liquidation, if it goes up to $70,000, the liquidation in totals can be it can be total around $6.2 billion, which is good for the market makers, and it makes sense. So the support was at $54,000, and I told you that it first needs to go towards 59, then 60, then we can start talking about 62 as well. The thing is that now we can change the support at towards $57,000. As long as 57 holds, we should not see 54. 54 is the last resort for this overall bullishness, this overall hope that we have that it will go towards $70,000. It will start becoming thin and thinner the moment it starts going below $54,000. So we will hope that that doesn't happen, but weekend is right around the corner. Generally, volume disappears in weekend. When that happens, that generally means that there is not going to be too much upward trend, and there would be a bit of retracement. So now we had, I think, 3 or 4 bullish days. We had 5 bearish days, so not that much of compensation. But from here, as I said, $57,000 is your support. As long as it holds, you can expect it to go towards 62,000. So now the resistance is at 62. Your support is at 57. The moment it breaks $62,000, next resistance is at 65. We have to take this piece by piece because it can't just shoot up towards 70. I mean, the maximum it has achieved is 74 or 75, 76, something like that. So you can understand how much of an important range $70,000 is. Of course, when we are sitting in some certain price range, we want it just to continue to shoot up and reach there, but that is not how it works. There are always retracements, which means that as we looked at BTC shooting up, these are 4-hour candles, and it just continued to shoot up. That was a good movement. That was a bullish indicator. If you're hearing sounds, it's my cat. He likes to sing when I'm recording. And the retracement, it can be up to $57,000 if it wants to retrace. Right now, what we are seeing is a bit of fight at the price range of 59, if I'm right. Yeah, $59,000. It is trying to reject from 59. So 59, 58 is a super bullish case scenario. 57 is fine too. As long as it doesn't go below this range, we wouldn't get bearish, and we would expect it to continue to rally. And hopefully I'll come back and make a video on it as well. Yeah, and the $62,000 is a bit of challenging resistance. I mean, we did break through it, which which led to liquidation of $600 million. It was extremely important to liquidate the shorters, those who were continuously creating pressure on the market to go down. Now the overall sentiments have been partitioned between bullish and bearish by 50-50. Even if you look at the overall index of fear and greed, it is sitting at 56 right now, and this was at 36 here, which was in fear. Now it is at the peak of neutral. Soon it will cross neutral, and it will turn into greed at the range of 60, four numbers away, 4 digits away. So things are turning around. Things are turning into something really, really nice. So the only thing that is left is now for Bitcoin to hold the support. The moment it holds the support, it is going to make the bearish people more fearful, and they will not be opening stronger short positions, or for a larger time frame they would be closing shorts sooner than they would like to, just because of the fact they don't want to get liquidated. So 57 is the support, and resistance is at 62.